and Kuya. So, yan. Today, I witnessed again, for the third time, family nga maging kasal lang. And then, so the joining of two souls who have chosen to walk through life hand in hand and side by side with love as your compass. So, yan. Pero kinagingaya kan every weddings ako mga sister nga. It nga they come out the best sister yan nga day. Yan. So, ayan. Watching you to started with from lemon drops ikat to naging member na family. And then, yun. To my brother-in-law, Liwat, thank you for loving my sister the way she deserves to be loved. And then, yun. Yun lang.
Mr. Sabi.